What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew Rapier here of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, it is a beat breakdown where I have a Juice WRLD style type beat. I sampled a song. It's from some video game. I think it's called Nights or something. But I included the sample in my free Juice WRLD pack. The link is down in the description down below on where you could get the Juice WRLD pack. It's a free kit. In this kit, you'll have a whole bunch, not a whole bunch, but you have a couple 808s, couple samples, some MIDI, some drum samples, other other shit to get you going, so you can make Juice WRLD influenced type beats. I'm gonna go ahead and play this beat so you guys get an understanding of what kind of style. I mean, it's pretty. I would say it's a Juice WRLD type beat, but you guys let me know. I'm gonna play it.
Beat It AT, what up, Beat It AT?
So you could kind of catch the vibe. I switched it up over here so it kind of got that breakaway by adding a filter. I believe a gross beat as well. Sorry. Let's see. Actually, no. Yeah, gross beat as well. And then over here, I added an 808 with it. And no hi-hat. So that's pretty much what I did right there. So the structure is pretty basic. It goes to the intro for the first 8 bars, then the chorus for about 16. Do note that this is all in double time. It's in 160 BPM, so it's really a 4-bar intro, 8-bar chorus, and then a 12-bar verse, currently 24. 12-bar verse, 8-bar chorus, and then another 12-bar verse, and then an 8-bar chorus, and then it fades out. 8 bars, and then chorus. Outro. So that's pretty much what it is. Only different parts are. Oh, hold on. Let me click in all these. Is it reversed? Yeah. That's reversed, whereas over here it's not reversed. But if I did reverse it, it would sound a little bit different. Oh, well. Oh, Nights into Dreams. That's a sample. But, what else? So in the percussion, just got some. We'll just flip through all from the very beginning. Hi-hat. So. Alright, so 808. This 808 is included in the pack as well. So, snare, kick. I think it goes up, yeah. So it goes up with the 808. Just another little snare. Dusty snare. Camera shot. That's included in the kit as well. I think these are included in the kit as well, just some normal percussion rim. Then here's don't think we didn't include that. Then there's our tag. So that's it really. Then you can see how we layered it. The verse, the chorus usually has most of the elements, and then we also have this little reverse.
Beat It AT, what up, Beat It AT?
And this is part of the AT-SFX kit, which is also free and available over at beatat.com. And then I got a mid-pass filter, and then the gross beat. Gross beat puts in half speed. Here's all the settings I got on the sample. Because I had to stretch the sample to kind of fit to the BPM. But besides that, this is it was a pretty simple beat. Kept it relatively, loop based, but we wanted to change up some stuff. We could have probably added some more elements, harmonic elements, to kind of make it sound a little bit more complex or different. But we chose to keep it simple. I figured I was going to be using it for the breakdown on how to make a Juice WRLD type beat. A lot of it has to do with getting like a melodic sample, maybe a guitar or something that can be sing-songy too. I thought the sample, originally I didn't think it was going to be a Juice WRLD type sample, but then when we started chopping it up and working with it, it came to be something I would imagine Juice WRLD on. Maybe a little Uzi Vert instead, or Trippie Redd, I don't know. But it's very influenced off that Nick Mira Internet Money sound as well. Very hard knocking 808s. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and play the full beat just for you guys, since you guys made it all the way through here. Be sure to check the description down below for some goodies. We normally put a coupon there for other drum kits and MIDI packs and sample packs for you guys over at beatat.com. So yeah, this is Andrew. I'll see you guys later. If any of you guys are in Atlanta, leave a comment down below, or hit me up through my email or social media. Me and Tony are actually in Atlanta from June 14th to I think like June 22nd in 2018. So for the people that see this video within that first week, yeah, hit us up. Alright, here we go.
Beat It AT, what up, Beat It AT?